Now see here, what is adiabatic process? Adiabatic process means it is a thermodynamical change in which there will be no exchange of heat between system and surrounding. No exchange of heat between system and surrounding. Means system is surrounded by insulating walls. System is surrounded by insulating walls. Means if you see here this is a container whose walls are adiabatic. Adiabatic means don't allow the exchange of heat with the surroundings. And this piston is also adiabatic. Piston is also adiabatic. Here this is the gas. Here system is this gas. It's clear. Work can be done. Work can be done. It's clear. Now see here, all of you remember one thing. When work will be done on any system, then that work will store in what form? In the form of energy of the system, internal energy of the system. It's clear. Any work will reflect, will make change in you. Any work will make change in you. Means when work will be done on the system, internal energy will be increased. Work will be done by the system, इसकी एनर्जी क्या हो जाएगी? कम हो जाएगी. Means any work will make change in you. Here we have taken ideal gas. In ideal gas, U is what? U is Ke plus Pe. It's clear. But as we know that in ideal gas, what happens? There is no force. No force means no potential energy. Means it is totally kinetic. It will be totally kinetic in ideal gas only. If you take any other substance, solid, liquid, what will happen? There will be potential energy also. And kinetic energy is what? It is the function of temperature. Kinetic energy is function of temperature, or kinetic energy directly proportional to absolute temperature. It's clear? Temperature will increase, kinetic energy will increase. Kinetic energy will increase, temperature will increase. Kinetic energy increase करेगी, temperature increase. Temperature is increasing, kinetic energy will increase. It's clear? Now see here. Here you can see it is a process in which there is no exchange of heat between system and surrounding. कोई exchange of heat between system and surrounding नहीं होगा. Now see here, what will happen when you will do some work? When you will do some work, heat energy will be produced within the system, because some work will be done. Work will be done means it will increase the internal energy. Increasing the internal energy means kinetic energy will increase, means temperature will increase, and temperature बढ़ रहा मतलब heat energy produce हो रही है. टेम्परेचर बढ़ने का मीनिंग क्या हुआ? हीट एनर्जी क्या हो रही है? प्रोड्यूस हो रही है. ऐसा. नाउ if that heat energy don't go out, if that heat energy don't go out, then we will say that it is a adiabatic change. But it will be possible only when these walls are perfect insulating. These walls are made up of perfect insulating material, means 100% insulating. 100% insulating. कुछ भी Q का इंटरचेंज ना हो बिटवीन सिस्टम एंड सराउंडिंग. Q का क्या है? कोई भी इंटरचेंज ना हो इसके बीच में. But as we know that perfect insulating walls are not possible. Perfect insulating walls are not possible. So what will happen? Some of the heat produced will go out, and it will not remain adiabatic. It will not remain adiabatic. It's clear? So ideally we cannot have any process as a adiabatic process. जैसे कि ideally अगर देखा जाए, there is no process which is isothermal. So in the same way there is no process which is perfect adiabatic. It's clear? But इफ वी कंप्रेस इट वेरी क्विकली, अगर हम क्या है पिस्टन को बहुत तेजी से नीचे लाएं, then what will happen? Heat which will be produced will not get the time for going out. Heat which will be produced will not get time to go out. जो heat produce होगी उसको टाइम ही नहीं मिल पाएगा बाहर जाने के लिए. And in that case we can say that if an ideal gas is compressed very quickly, if an ideal gas is compressed very quickly, then that process will be adiabatic. That process will be adiabatic. But if anyhow you can have perfect insulating walls, अगर किसी तरीके से हमको परफेक्ट इंसुलेटिंग वॉल्स मिल जाए तो क्या हो जाएगा. यहां पर एक चीज और भी है, अगर गैस हीट का एक्सचेंज इससे और वॉल्स के बीच में भी हो गया तो भी वो क्या है, वॉल्स भी क्या है सराउंडिंग से, वॉल्स भी क्या है सराउंडिंग से, इसके और वॉल्स के बीच में भी हो गया एक्सचेंज ऑफ हीट, देन व्हाट विल हैपन, it will not remain adiabatic. So but if anyhow we have perfect insulating walls, means गैस के मॉलिक्यूल्स वॉल्स के मॉलिक्यूल्स बाहर की तो छोड़ ही दें, गैस के मॉलिक्यूल्स और वॉल्स के मॉलिक्यूल्स के बीच में कोई एक्सचेंज ऑफ हीट ना हो, तब उस केस में अगर हम पिस्टन को स्लोली भी लाएंगे तो भी वो क्या होगा, एडियाबेटिक होगा. ठीक है. But practically how can you realize a adiabatic process? How can you have a adiabatic process? By moving the piston down very slowly, by moving the piston down very slowly. This is clear. Now see here, what is the defining equation for adiabatic process? जैसे कि आइसोथर्मल प्रोसेस में क्या था, PV equals to constant, PV equals to constant. So what will be the equation here? Here defining equation, that is equation of state for adiabatic process. Equation of state for adiabatic process. Equation of state means which relates the thermodynamical variables, which relates the thermodynamical variables. Now one more thing, in isothermal process you have seen that only P and V were changing, T will was constant, T क्या था, constant था, पर adiabatic में क्या होगा, P भी change होगा, V भी change होगा and T will also change, all the three will change. In adiabatic all the three variables will change, P, V, T, all the three will change. What is the equation of state here? Here PV to the power gamma equals to constant. Now what is gamma? Gamma is Cp upon Cv. Cp क्या है, Cv क्या है, मैंने बताया. Gamma is Cp upon Cv. It's clear? And its value is 1.67 for monoatomic gas. For monoatomic. What are monoatomic gas? Whose molecules are having one atom, whose molecules are consisting one atom. For example, diatomic H2, O2, N2. These are the diatomic. Their molecules are consisting two atoms. Monoatomic helium, neon, argon, all ideal gases are the inert gases are the noble gases are the monoatomic. So for monoatomic gas it is 1.67 and it has no unit because it is the ratio of two similar type of quantity. It is the ratio of two SHC. Cp is what? SHC of the gas at the constant. Cp क्या है? SHC of gas at constant pressure. SHC of gas at constant volume. What is? For diatomic it is 1.40 for diatomic. It's clear? So it is PV to the power gamma equals to constant. This is the equation of state. Now this equation of state can be written in the different forms also. You can see those forms. Now see here. What will be the other forms here? How will you write? So as you know that PV equals to mu into RT. हमने P को चेंज कर दिया. P के प्लेस पर क्या लिख दिया है? In place of P you write down mu RT upon V. Mu RT upon V. When you will substitute this, so see here PV to the power gamma equals to P के प्लेस पर mu RT upon V into V to the power gamma equals to constant. Now you can see here mu into R is what? Number of moles. R is universal gas constant. It is a product of two constants. It is the product of two constants. Means क्या है? This much thing is also a constant. ये भी क्या है? Constant है, क्योंकि ये तो constant है ही. It's clear? So this will be the constant. You simplify this. When you will simplify T, V to the power gamma upon V to the power 1 means how much? V to the power gamma minus equals to constant. So this is another form of the equation of state. Equation of state means which is relating to the thermodynamical variables. It's clear for that process. So this is one another equation of state. Now there is one more equation of state for adiabatic process. In isothermal there is only one. Which one? PV equals to constant. क्योंकि वहां तो T constant है, पर यहां पर तीन क्यों आ रही है? Because all the three are varying. All the three are varying. So see here. Here you have substituted in place of P mu RT upon V. Now in place of V you substitute mu RT upon V. हमने क्या किया? V के प्लेस पर mu RT upon P रख दिया. You substitute this, so P it is mu RT upon P whole to the power gamma equals to constant. Simplify this. On simplifying, what will you get? P mu into R to the power gamma, T to the power gamma upon P to the power gamma equals to constant. Mu into R is a constant. This bracket I have opened here. Mu into R is a constant. It's clear. So that can be deleted here. We can delete this. On deleting this, what will you get? You can see here P upon P to the power gamma. Here power is 1. Here power is gamma. What will you do? You bring P की power 1 in denominator. P की power 1 को denominator में लाए. What will happen? Power will become gamma minus 1. In numerator, what is left? T to the power gamma upon P to the power gamma minus 1 equals to constant. So what is this equation of state is very important because we will use this one frequently. Other you can make by making the substitutions. Other you can make by making substitutions in this way. It is clear? Now after this, we will calculate work done. Work done in first you see PV curve. PV curve of adiabatic process I will not do. You can see here. Now you can see PV curve for the adiabatic process. So So see here also it will be a rectangular hyperbola, but it will be steeper than isothermal curve. It will be steeper than isothermal curve. ये क्या होगा, आइसोथर्मल कर्व से अधिक स्टीपर होगा. इसलिए if you make the isothermal curve I am making here. It is less steeper, dotted curve is less steeper and this continuous curve is more steeper. कैसे, हम यहाँ पर बैठे तो क्या है, बहुत तेजी से नीचे आएंगे, यहाँ पर बैठे क्या है, उतनी तेजी से नहीं आएंगे. स्लोप का मीनिंग यही होता है. स्लोप मालूम होगा, स्लोप क्यों बनाया जाता है घरों में, स्मृति मालूम है. So slope means this. It's clear. So this is for isothermal and this is for adiabatic. It's clear. Adiabatic curve is more steeper than isothermal curve. Now we will find out the slope. As you have seen in the isothermal curve, what is the formula of slope? Slope का formula क्या है? Slope means dp upon dv. कितना आया था? minus p upon v आया था. कितना आया था? minus p upon v. Now we will see here what will be the formula of slope. So formula of slope means here slope of, this is the adiabatic curve. This one is adiabatic, while this one is isothermal curve. It's clear. Here slope will be, what is the formula of slope? Delta y upon delta x. What is our y-axis p, x-axis v? It will be delta p upon delta v. In calculus, we can write it as dp upon dv. dp upon dv. Now you differentiate this. On differentiating, what will you get? What is the formula of differentiation of d by dv of v to the power gamma? d by dv v to the power gamma. So we know there is one formula, d by dx of x to the power n equals to how much? nx to the power n minus 1. बताओ यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा, देख लो अंतर कितना आया. x के प्लेस पर v, x के प्लेस पर v. What will be the value? Gamma v to the power gamma minus 1. It's clear. Now we will differentiate it with respect to v. Differentiating with respect to v. On differentiating with respect to v, so it will be equal to what? जब भी दो फंक्शंस का प्रोडक्ट हम डिफरेंशिएट कर रहे हैं, अगर क्या है, दो फंक्शंस हैं, a इंटू बी को डिफरेंशिएट कर रहे हैं, तो क्या फार्मूला है? a इंटू बी का डिफरेंशिएशन प्लस b इंटू a का डिफरेंशिएशन. ये याद रखेंगे. इफ देयर इज ए प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू फंक्शंस, देन a इंटू बी का डिफरेंशिएशन प्लस b इंटू a का डिफरेंशिएशन. सो हियर वी विल राइट p इंटू d by dv. हम किसके विद रेस्पेक्ट डिफरेंशिएट कर रहे हैं? v के. v टू द पावर गामा प्लस v इंटू dp अपॉन dv. v टू द पावर गामा, v टू द पावर गामा इंटू dp अपॉन dv equals to, what is the differentiation of constant? It will be 0. It's clear. Already you know this value. What is that value? So you can write p into gamma into v to the power gamma minus 1 plus v to the power gamma into dp upon dv equals to 0. Now you simplify this. So on simplifying, what will you get? dp upon dv, v to the power gamma into dp upon dv equals to, when you take it in that side, minus p into gamma into v to the power. So what is dp upon dv? Minus p into gamma into v to the power gamma minus 1 upon v to the power gamma. And further simplifying, what will you get? On further simplifying, you will get dp upon dv. See here, ये v की पावर गामा है, ये v की पावर गामा माइनस 1 है. क्या हो जाएगा, क्या बचेगा सिंप्लीफाई करने पर? ये v की पावर गामा है, ये v की पावर गामा माइनस 1, मीन्स क्या बचेगा? हमने क्या कर लिया, इसको ऐसे ब्रेक कर दिया, v टू द पावर गामा माइनस 1 इंटू v. कर लिया ना? वही तो होगा, प्रोडक्ट है, बेस सेम है, पावर्स विल बी एडेड, इट विल बिकम v टू द पावर गामा, इट विल बिकम v टू द पावर गामा, this denominator. So now this will be cancelled with this. What will you get? Only v will be left. Means on simplifying this, it will be 1 upon v. 1 upon v means, so this will become equal to minus p gamma upon p gamma upon v. When you will further simplify, not simplification, only you have to rearrange the term. What is dp upon dv? dp upon dv equals to minus and p into gamma की प्लेस पर क्या लिख देंगे? गामा इंटू p, गामा इंटू upon p. It is clear? So as we know that what is its slope? Its slope is mathematically dp upon dv. At any point, अगर हमको slope is variable here slope is not uniform. You can see here. Here it is more steeper and on going down it is less steeper. It's clear? मतलब यहाँ पर slope अधिक है, यहाँ पर slope अलग है. So what will be the slope at any point? It will be that value, minus gamma p upon v. Minus gamma p upon v. Now see here, so slope of adiabatic curve, adiabatic curve at any point, it will be at any point, it will be minus gamma p upon v. It's clear? It is minus gamma p upon v. Means क्या है? Suppose you have to determine the slope at this point. What will you do? You find the value of p here, value of v here, गामा की वैल्यू तुमको पता रहेगी कि क्या है गैस, मोनोएटॉमिक 1.67, डाइएटॉमिक 1.40. It's clear? So you can calculate that way. And what is the other way? Mathematically you can find. Mathematically means you draw the tangent. इस पॉइंट पर टेंजेंट ड्रा करें और जितना ये एंगल बनाए दैट उसका tan थीटा, m का फार्मूला क्या होता है? tan थीटा होता है, मालूम है ना? m equals to tan theta, slope will be this. Mathematically we can find from this graph, if the graph is given then we can find this way also. It's clear? Now you can see one more thing. Here this can be written as gamma into minus P upon V. What is minus P upon V? Slope of isothermal curve. Slope of gamma into slope of isothermal curve. Now from here you can see एडियाबेटिक कर्व की स्लोप क्या है? गामा इंटू आइसोथर्मल कर्व. अब गामा क्या है? इट इज ए क्वांटिटी ग्रेटर देन 1. इट इज ए क्वांटिटी ग्रेटर देन 1. इट इज क्लियर? देयरफॉर एडियाबेटिक कर्व विल हैव मोर स्लोप देन आइसोथर्मल कर्व. एडियाबेटिक कर्व की स्लोप अधिक होगी देन द आइसोथर्मल कर्व. दिस इज क्लियर?